We've seen the spy images and now time has finally come to have a look at the first press images. Likely serving as the last hurrah for the 991 generation, unless there will be a new Speedster, the updated GT3 RS is here as the first official shots and some preliminary technical specs have emerged onto the web. Posted by Australia's Drive, the photos, which have since been removed, are showing a Hulk-approved lizard green GT3 RS packing an extra 20 horsepower, 15 kilowatts compared to the model before it. That means the naturally aspirated 4.0-liter 6-cylinder engine now produces 520 horsepower, 383 kilowatts, at 8,250 revolutions per minute. The most noticeable change to the exterior of the car is the more aggressive front fascia matching the one on the recently updated 911 GT3, which itself borrows the design from Porsche's latest 911 GT3 Cup race car. The rear fascia also sports some tweaks and there appear to be some revisions to the rear wing and ducktail spoiler as well. The bump in output makes perfect sense considering the non-RS GT3 was updated last year when it received the 4.0-liter mill with 500 horsepower on tap. There's no word about torque just yet, but we remind you the lesser version as well as the old RS have 460 Nm, 339 pound-feet. While the GT3 can be had with either a standard 7-speed manual or an optional dual-clutch auto with the same number of gears, the hotter RS is expected to be PDK only as before, though Porsche specialists BGB Motorsports from Florida have created a manual GT3 RS for anyone with $45,000 to spare for the conversion. As a result of the newly gained muscle, Porsche was able to shave off a tenth of a second from the 0-62 miles per hour, 0-100 kilometers per hour sprint, which now takes only 3.2 seconds. Flat out, the mildly updated 911 GT3 RS will do 312 kilometers per hour, 194 miles per hour, or 2 kilometers per hour more than before. Besides fiddling with the flat 6 engine, which by the way revs to a maximum 9,000 revolutions per minute, Porsche has retuned the rear wheel steering system and has applied some discrete aerodynamic tweaks. These include new NACA-style ducts, reshaped front bumper with different ducts to optimize airflow, along with a modified rear bumper boasting larger air extraction ducts. The end plates of the rear wing have also gone through some changes, while the taillights are a tad bit different than before. Those wheels measure 20 inches at the front and 21 inches at the back and come with 265 35ths and 325 30ths tires respectively. At an additional cost, Porsche will sell the 2018 GT3 RS with an optional Club Sport package encompassing 6-point seat belts, a fire extinguisher, and an aluminum roll cage. While images of the interior are not available just yet, there are going to be nylon opening loops on the lightweight door panels, racing seats with a carbon fiber shell, and less sound absorption material to further reduce weight. For the same purpose, there's a new engine lid with a lightweight construction. Expect a full reveal of the 2018 Porsche 911 GT3 RS to occur in the coming hours.